Happy Friday, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Hope you had a great trading day yesterday. Please hit the like button. I work very hard to share this content with you every morning. You can see almost today 8 a.m. Eastern, and every day this content is free. So please hit the like button, share with your friends and family, help them make money, help them learn how to make money, how to do technical analysis. I will really appreciate that. Okay, guys, so let's start with the cycle analysis. This is SPX chart. Focus on this yellow circle and yellow line here. So I'm assuming so today and tomorrow, I mean today's Friday and then next week we're gonna be topping it out. Okay, so I think we're making a topping process. So this could be a double top, or I think I was saying early this week, whoever is watching my channel, that we will be grinding higher, and that's what's exactly happening. So grinding little higher. So I think we might be going a little bit more higher, and then a declining phase is coming, basically starting late next week or sometime next week to end of March, early April. Okay, so that's where I'm expecting a decline will happen. For now, I'm hoping a little bit more decline. Today, I'm expecting an update even on Monday, and then possibly declining later on, later in the week until end of March or beginning of April. All right, so let's keep that as a bigger picture in mind, and let's analyze all the indices. So let's go with MES, which is futures of S&P 500 down 0.03, not much, and you can see we are in the neutral zone. All right, so we are in the neutral zone. So those who are new, red lines are where we sell, green lines are where we buy. In the middle we don't do anything. So the red line sell line is around 51.17, so which is previous all-time high. So when I move cursor here, you will see the cursor will also move on the right side. So resistance is 51.17, 51.32. This is the area you should be looking to short, and then the buy range is 50.76 and 50.60. This is the area you want to be buying. That's where this green line, which is 10 moving average, is also coming. That's where it should find support. And one thing to note, we are going higher. Okay, we keep going higher, and momentum RSI is going lower. PPO is going lower, so momentum is going lower as we're going higher. So we got to be a bit careful. This means the trend might be ending soon. And you can see there's also a gap here. This is SPY. SPY has a gap around 497. So at some point they will come back to fill this gap. And if I hide these moving averages, you will see we're going higher on a bearish surging wedge. All right, this is a wedge, and again momentum is lower, our PPO is lower, lower high, both sides. So eventually we're going to get a dump. I don't know when, but just be careful. Conditions are developing as we go higher, that there could be possibility of a correction. Correction could be 4 to 5%, and if you get that, probably maybe most likely end of March, beginning of April, that can come to fill this gap, and that's where this green line is. So I'm expecting around 482. That will be it, and then we'll resume bull market again. All right. Okay, that's the overall picture. All right. So you got the levels on S&P 500, and let's look at Nasdaq MNQ. MNQ is also actually it's a bit stronger. Came to neutral line around 5:26 a.m. Now between neutral line and sell line. So sell zone is previous all-time high 18,143 and up, and buy zone is 17,945 and below. All right. Dow Jones, you can see US 30 in the neutral line, 38,829 and below, which is where this 10 moving average green line is coming. That's the support, and resistance is 39,078 and up. All right, Russell 2000. Let's look at that. Is also in the neutral line right now. So resistances are above 2067 and up. All right, and then buy zones are around 2036 and below. So look for it to come near 2036. Also, this 10 moving average coming, which is sitting right around on 2028. All right, so that's where the buy zone is. All right, so let's look at Tesla. Tesla is down pre-market slightly, but I'm still looking for this gap fill, 206.74, still not happening. Looking for last couple of days, coming very close to that gap fill, keep dumping, and that's where this 50 EMA is also coming. So I'm hoping it's going to break out today and close this gap. That's going to be my first target. So from where we are right now, where we closed on yesterday around 2.4%, hoping for a close above that today. So let's see how it goes, but that's my target on Tesla. UNH I bought yesterday. This is a big gap down, and also in my buy zone. You can see green line, it came in my buy zone a couple of days, and also it is a big gap down, and that will be filled at some point. I don't know when. It will be filled at some point, some point of time, that's 3.7% profit. Easy profit. This is the biggest healthcare stock. Why not buy it? All right. So I'm just going to hold it long. And also dividends, healthy dividends, 1.88 every dollar. So every stock. So amazing. All right. Okay, so Apple. All right, Apple is pre-market just down 0.37%. Buy area is 178.8 and below. That's where I will be looking to buy Apple again. All right, and you can see it's holding 200 EMA. Light blue line is holding Apple right now. Let's look at gold. Gold is breaking out. It broke out of this trend line yesterday. Okay, first area it broke out yesterday. We got a 7 count sell signal, but sometimes it doesn't matter. Now it's getting another pump here. All right, now you can see it's in the sell zone. Not interested in buying gold here. I'm only looking to buy gold below 2035, and that could be a back test of this trend line. All right, silver. Silver is also, you can see, came to support day before yesterday, actually yesterday. 7 count SPY signal bouncing near sell line, not interested in buying. 22.46 and below looking to buy. Crude oil new highs, short-term highs above all moving averages. Very, very bullish move, but in the short term today, this is day trading on the left side in the sell zone. Not interested in buying. This is the area to short. Natural gas. Also, you can see short term above two moving averages, white and green, looking bullish, and near neutral line, look to buy below 1.82. Dollar. Dollar is in the neutral zone. Look to buy below 103.83. You can see that's where all these supports are. If dollar goes higher, Bitcoin and gold should go lower. If Bitcoin and gold goes lower, dollar goes higher. And if dollar goes lower, this goes high. Okay. So Bitcoin 1.76% move. Okay. Massive move above all moving averages and trying to make a flag. So let's see. I think it's usually this parabolic move ends in a really bad scenario. So you got to be careful. Look to take profits if you have profits. BTC, you can see this gap was here around 63. They filled it a couple of days ago. So just holding it around here. Okay, so you got to be very careful at these levels. So not interested in buying here. All right. Also, we have divergence on. You can see a little bit divergence here. New high on lower momentum. PPO has no divergence, so that's a good thing. PPO has, well, actually, if I look from here, PPO also has divergence. But the point is, be very careful. And in the short term, also getting closer to sell zone. I'm only looking to buy below 60,062. All right. That's my target. Ethereum also the target to buy. Ethereum is going to be below 33.15. All right, that's what I'm looking for. Let's quickly move to Toronto Stock Exchange, TSX, looking for this gap fill, and that's where this buy zone is. Hang Seng Index, China. In the neutral line, came to buy zone overnight around 8 p.m. Eastern, bounce from there. Now in the neutral line, looking to buy below 163.27. That's where this 50 moving average is coming, so not interested before that. Let's quickly look at commodities. Copper in the neutral zone, buy below 3.8249. That's where this yellow line is coming, which is 50 EMA. And let's look at palladium in the neutral zone, buy below 927 and below. Soybeans. Soybeans is now, you can see yesterday was in the buy zone, massive pump from there, and now near sell zone, so look to buy below 1134 only. And sugar is in the buy zone. This is where I should be looking to buy sugar. Wheat is also getting closer to buy zone, 1556 and below, look to buy. Corn in the sell zone, coming to the buy zone, 420 and below, look to buy. And let's quickly wrap up with gold and some other stocks. Newmont Mine is in the sell zone. Gold miner, GDX. There you go, GDX. Also in the sell zone. Not interested to buy here. Netflix, zoom in near sell zone. Amazon is also near sell zone. Meta, Facebook near sell zone. All these tech stocks are near sell zone. You can see here sell zone. Microsoft, Snowflakes was in the buy zone. Now still in the buy zone after bad earnings. NVDA in the sell zone. You can see all these stocks were in the sell zone right now, so that means profit taking time. AMD still pumping 3%. Not sure what's going on. Again, yesterday was 10% pump. Keep pumping these stocks. Shopify in the neutral zone, and last but not least, Intel is also near sell zone. All right, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. And again, if you like the content, please hit the like button on your way out. I'll see you later. Bye.